Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we will explore HIMS and HERS Health Class A in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to overlook any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 29th of April, 2025, our system has categorized HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a hold/accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.65. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 56.19% since we initially recommended purchasing HIMS and HERS Health Class A 25 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.25% per day since it was designated as hold/accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 69.74% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 19.48% to 116.01%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 67.84%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 11.02% and positive 138.71% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $48.70 and $130.65. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, Volatile Ride for HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A stock price on Tuesday moving between $54.27 and $67.37. The HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A stock price fell by 3.59% on the last day, Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, from $56.77 to $54.73. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 24.14% from a day low at $54.27 to a day high of $67.37. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 12.21% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 77 million shares, but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 112 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.14 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $72.98, and the lowest price was $13.47. Currently, the price is 25.01% or $18.25 below the 52-week high of $72.98, which is also the all-time high for this stock. HIMS and HERS Health has experienced a significant increase in its stock price, rising by 5.8% in pre-market trading following the announcement of its acquisition of Zava, a notable European digital health platform. This all-cash deal is expected to close in the latter half of 2025 and will substantially enhance HIMS' customer base by incorporating over 1 million users from Zava's existing operations in the United Kingdom, Germany, France, and Ireland. The expansion into Europe is particularly strategic, as it opens new revenue streams in a growing market for telehealth services. In the short term, such a considerable acquisition typically fosters positive sentiment among investors, potentially leading to further upward movement in the stock price, as evidenced today. Moreover, the acquisition aligns effectively with the ongoing trend in the healthcare sector toward digital and remote services, making HIMS and HERS a more competitive player in the telehealth industry. Long-term, this move could enhance HIMS' market share and establish it as a leader in both the United States and European telehealth markets. The company's commitment to expansion and innovation may attract additional investment while positioning it advantageously against competitors. Ultimately, while the immediate boost in stock price reflects investor optimism, the sustained success of this acquisition will depend on HIMS' ability to effectively integrate Zava and leverage its increased market presence. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, UBS assigned HIMS a hold grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, Deutsche Bank assigned HIMS a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, UBS assigned HIMS a mixed grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Piper Sandler assigned HIMS a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. Today, the stock displays mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and thus far it has declined by approximately 15.34%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $54.57 and $45.35. A breakdown below any of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 12 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was observed 92 days ago. The short-term moving average, a buy signal, was given 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal, was noted 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average signaled a sell 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal, was noted 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's explore the support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A finds support at a price of $52.35, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. This stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction range from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $13.10 between its high and low, representing an increase of 24.14%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.97%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 17 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health Class A is at $55 $1.21. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health Class A encounters its first support level at $52.35. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health Class A from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Okope Oluyemi, who bought and sold 30,892 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 17.049. In total, insiders purchased 2,013,206 shares and sold 1,451,945 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $51.84, reflecting a decline of 5.28%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good buy? HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors may either maintain their position or accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate designation since our last review. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we anticipate that HIMS and HERS Health Class A will begin higher by $4.06, starting at a price of $58.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.